7-Day Detox Challenge. Cleanse your body and boost your energy. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are constantly exposed to various toxins, from pollution and processed foods to stress and lack of sleep. These toxins can accumulate over time, leading to fatigue, digestive issues, and a general feeling of sluggishness. If you're looking to hit the reset button on your health and revitalize your energy levels, a 7-day detox challenge might be just what you need. This short-term commitment can help cleanse your body, improve your digestion, boost your energy, and set the stage for healthier habits. Why detox? Before diving into the specifics of the 7-day detox challenge, it's important to understand why detoxing can be beneficial. Our bodies naturally detoxify themselves through organs like the liver, kidneys, and skin. However, due to the increasing amount of toxins we encounter daily, our natural detoxification processes can become overwhelmed. A detox program helps support these natural processes by reducing the intake of toxins and providing the body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. A detox can help you reset eating habits. A detox can help you break free from unhealthy eating patterns, such as overeating sugar, caffeine, and processed foods. Boost energy levels. By eliminating toxins and eating nutrient-dense foods, you may notice a significant increase in your energy levels. Improve digestion. Detoxing can help cleanse the digestive system, improve gut health, and reduce bloating. Clear skin. Removing toxins from your diet and increasing hydration can lead to clearer, more radiant skin. Enhance mental clarity. Many people report improved focus and mental clarity after completing a detox. The 7-Day Detox Plan. A well-rounded detox plan focuses on nourishing the body with whole foods, hydrating adequately, and incorporating practices that support detoxification. Here's a day-by-day guide to help you get started. Day 1. Preparation. Before starting your detox, spend the first day preparing both mentally and physically. Clean out your pantry and fridge of processed foods, sugary snacks, and anything that could derail your efforts. Stock up on fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and herbal teas. Also, set clear intentions for your detox, whether it's to boost your energy, lose weight, or simply feel better. Day 2. Hydration and elimination. On the first day of your detox, focus on hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses. Herbal teas, especially those with detoxifying herbs like dandelion or ginger, are also great. Incorporate fiber-rich foods such as leafy greens, chia seeds, and berries to support elimination. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and sugary drinks. Day 3. Nutrient-dense foods. Today, focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods that support detoxification. Include plenty of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, which are known for their liver-supporting properties. Add in antioxidant-rich fruits like berries, and healthy fats such as avocado and nuts. A smoothie with spinach, blueberries, and a scoop of protein powder makes a great breakfast or snack. Day 4. Incorporate movement. Exercise plays a crucial role in detoxification. Today, start incorporating light physical activity into your routine. Gentle yoga, walking, or stretching can help stimulate the lymphatic system, which plays a key role in removing toxins from the body. Sweating through exercise or in a sauna also helps eliminate toxins through the skin. Day 5. Mindfulness and stress reduction. Stress can hinder your body's ability to detoxify effectively. Spend today focusing on mindfulness and stress reduction techniques. Try meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply take a walk in nature. Reducing stress supports your body's detoxification processes and enhances overall well-being. Day 6. Rest and restore. Detoxing can be physically and mentally demanding. Today, prioritize rest. Ensure you're getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Sleep is when the body does most of its repair work, including detoxification. Consider a relaxing bath with Epsom salts, which can help draw out toxins and relax muscles. Day 7, Reintroduction and Reflection. On the final day, start gradually reintroducing foods you've eliminated, such as grains or dairy, while paying attention to how your body reacts. Reflect on your experience. How do you feel after the detox? Consider which new habits you'd like to maintain going forward. Final thoughts. A 7-day detox challenge can be a powerful way to jumpstart your journey to better health. By eliminating toxins and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, you can cleanse your body, boost your energy, and set the stage for long-term wellness. Remember, the key to a successful detox is listening to your body, staying hydrated, and embracing the process with an open mind.